Small, small. Hello, welcome to Majestic School. Today in our physics class, we are going to look at some problems relating to speed. The first problem we have here, it says, I traveled 600 kilometers in 2 hours. What is my speed? I traveled 600 kilometers in 2 hours. What is my speed? The formula for finding speed is V is equal to S over T, where V is the speed or the average speed, S is the distance, and T is the time taken. Let us assume that, like the question we mentioned, let us say is the speed we are looking for, and the distance is 600 kilometers, and the time taken is 2 hours. So substituting it for the equation above, we have V is equal to 600 over 2. V is equals to 300, and we have that as our answer, 300 kilometer per hour. You can either write it like this, whichever. So that is the first problem we are looking at. Let's look at another problem. A ball rolls off a table at a speed of 50 meters per second. A ball rolls off a table at a speed of 50 meters per second. What distance did it cover if it spent 10 seconds in the journey? What distance did it cover if it spent 10 seconds in the journey? Now we are looking at the speed is 50 meters per second, and we are asking of the distance. We don't know the distance, and the time taken is about 10 seconds. So applying that same formula, we say V is equals to distance over time. 50 is the speed, which is equals to that. We are looking for the distance, all over time, 10 seconds. We still say 50 over 1 is equals to distance all over 10. When you cross multiply this, you have 50 times 1 is equal to, 50 times 10 is equal to 1 times S. All right. Then we move on to say 500 is equal to S. So we have that as our distance. S, which is distance, is equals to 500 meters. So this becomes the distance which we are looking for in this ball rolling down the table, and it has covered our journey. So we are going to look at another problem, which is the last problem we may take here. The question says a race car was moving at a speed of 250 kilometers per hour. And after covering a distance of 5 kilometers, the question is how much time did it spend? So we are still using the same formula. V is equals to distance all over time. 250 is equal to 5 all over t. 250 all over 1 is equals to 5 all over t. When you cross multiply, you have 250 times t equals to 1 times 5. 250t equals to 5. Dividing both sides by 250. 250 and 250 here. So here 1, here 1. You have t is equal to here you have 1, here you have 5, 0 is equal to 1 all over 50 hours. Good. Now 1 all over 50 hours is the same thing as t is equal to 0.02 hours. Is the same thing as 1.2 minutes. Is the same thing as 72 seconds. So that is the time taken for the entire journey. The time is spent in the entire journey. Thank you very much. We'll solve more problems, ask questions, share this, and subscribe to our channel. God bless you. We'll see more. We'll solve more problems more times. Thank you. God bless.